Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today I decided to put together a tablescape, so let's get started. Now I went thrifting yesterday and I found this beautiful cross that's on top of that table. It is solid wood and the person who made it signed their name on the back. I just could not leave the thrift store without purchasing it. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now remember that clicking the like button and full watching the video, even sharing the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you guys at the end. Now, I would love for you guys to head on over to my community tab, where there I have updated my calendar for the month of October to incorporate wreaths galore. I am so excited. This is the Christmas edition. This tablescape came out absolutely amazing. I think it's beautiful, and I hope that you do too. Let's head on over to the reveal. Okay, so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.